Hello everyone, and welcome to the video demo for our mobile app, Simplicity. We are group number 1, and we're Chad Armstrong, George Crudo, Joshua Gray, Amish Kanji, Justin Kimball, and Chandler Smith. Our target users are the elderly, who according to our field interviews are not good with technology found in modern smartphones. The purpose of this app is to simplify the complex system of a mobile phone for people who only need it for the bare minimum processes. This app will allow non-tech savvy users to be able to perform their everyday phone tasks without being intimidated by modern technology. The defining characteristic of our app that sets us apart from any competitor is that our app is supposed to be used as a whole new interface for their phone. As described in our project documentation, we chose to develop for an Android phone because statistics show that a majority of elderly people tend to own Android-operated phones as opposed to other phones. In order for our app to appeal to the largest portion of our target audience, we went with an Android app. Now let's delve into the app. This is our app's welcome screen. As you may have noticed, the font size is larger than normal apps. This is to account for the possible vision impairments that our target audience may have. Having to think about our users' needs as part of the app's functionality is one of the key challenges we've faced when designing this app. The welcome screen itself is a nice baseline for how simple we made the application, seeing how their only options for this screen are to read the text or click the massive green arrow. This screen allows the user to select what they want to use their phone for and generates an experience more attuned to their needs. We chose the 3 options listed based on those we interviewed and what they wanted from their phones. In order to reduce clutter and stick to our simplistic layout, we only used 3 options here, and stuck to more universally understood icons to represent these functionalities. Now let's explore the phone call functionality. This is the interface for users that primarily use their phone for calling people. The screen uses the same simplistic design that is concurrent throughout the app, having only 3 available options to reduce clutter. The first option that we'll explore is the phone's contacts, which takes all the contacts that are stored on the phone and puts them in a nicer format with larger text and differing colors to help differentiate the contacts. Let's check out one of those contacts now. This screen shows what a typical phone contact would look like in our app. The 3 main functionalities are represented here with the call, message, and share button, which are consistent with the 3 main functionalities of this app, making it easier to understand and learn. This screen shows the contact's phone number and picture if available. If we wanted to call this contact, we could simply tap the large green phone. Let's give Ashley a call now. This is the standard screen for making a phone call on our app. Notice how the contact's phone number is lit up in green to represent an active phone call, while the contact is shown and the call time. There are 2 buttons on the screen, the speakerphone button and the end call button, just 2 buttons to keep the simple structure of our app. Now let's enter call with Ashley and explore the rest of the functionalities of our app. This is the standard dialing screen for our application. As you can see, since we just finished our phone call with Ashley, her number is still displayed in the dial bar, which is now in gray to show that it's not active. It has the standard buttons of a phone that everyone is used to, with the addition of 3 extra buttons at the bottom. The red plus signifies an emergency call, the green is to activate a call, and the backward-facing arrow is to delete any entry you have. Say we want to contact Ashley one more time. We can easily just hit the green button since her number is in the dial screen. Sadly for Ashley, we weren't mistaken. Let's end this call again. As I was saying earlier, if you hit the backspace, it will delete all of your entry, in which case you can now dial any number you choose. Now that we've showcased the phone functionality, let's move on to the other parts of the app. The next functionality of our app is the social component. The social component of this app is to allow the users to create families. In this app, a family represents a group of contacts. To create a family, just select contacts from your contact list, and the application will automatically fill in the rest of the family. Once a family has been created, simply select that family to begin sharing. Then click the Share button. From this screen, you can decide what you want to share, whether it's a photo, your location, or text. If you're sharing a photo, it will take you to all of your phone's pictures and allows you to select which ones you want to share. Once you select what you want to send to your family, just hit the green check. One thing we learned while designing this app was when thinking of an idea, think of who will be using the app and what they need, not how to make an app useful. This concludes all the functionalities of our app, Simplicity.